Hi friends, my name is Abhishek Dattagupta. Today I am going to share with you top 3 must know hacks in Microsoft Teams. Many of you have now been using Microsoft Teams for quite some time, and I believe these 3 hacks should be part of your kitty. And so let's get started. The first hack is related to the environment of Microsoft Teams itself, because we have so many tabs, we have so many sections that we kind of move around. Wouldn't it be cool if we had some shortcuts? Yes, the first hack is the shortcuts, and to enable it I just have to press the Control plus dot button on my keyboard, and this brings up the details of the keyboard shortcuts that we have for our Microsoft Teams. So you can see starting from the general navigation, like navigating to the search bar, and then to more specific navigations, to messaging, to searching particular channels, like you can see Control plus F, and then of course some operations regarding the calls and calendar. Everything you have some kind of shortcuts defined here that you can use and reduce your time while using Microsoft Teams. So this is the first hack that I wanted to talk about while using Microsoft Teams. And the second top hack that I want to talk about is the search. Yes, search is very critical while we are using Microsoft Teams, because after a point in time when we have created like multiple teams, we are part of multiple groups, and we have so many discussions going on with my fellow colleagues in those groups, and many a times we feel that okay, let's search that conversation that we had previously, or we want to search for some information that we want to have previously. So of course we have this bar on the top that allows you to do search, no doubt about it. But if you use this, typically it will search all the teams, and the list that it generates for the results, it will not be a specific result that you're looking for. So you might get multiple hits, and before you can actually narrow down to the result that you want, you would have to move through multiple results and spend time there. So let's use one of the shortcuts that we learned in the previous tip, that is Control plus F. So I want to search a particular conversation that we had some time back along with my fellow colleagues in this team called YouTube, right? So I am going to press Control plus F, and you can see on the top now I have narrowed down my search to this particular team, that is YouTube. And here I want to search a conversation that I had some time before. I just vaguely remember some words. It has something to do with search, and I click enter. Now, as I click enter, you see I get one direct result. And if I click here, it actually navigates and takes us back to that particular discussion. This will really save your time when you are searching for some kind of conversation in the Microsoft Teams. So this is the second tip I wanted to share with you. And the third tip that is part of the top 3 tips is definitely handling files and sharing files, right? So we have been sharing files on Microsoft Teams for quite some time now. We have been dragging and dropping files here below in the chat window. Like I can show you, let's take this Excel, which looks like a very important Excel, and I just kind of drag and drop here. So it is uploading. I can give some conversation, and I can refer to some uh, people in my team, and I have uploaded it in this Teams. And if I want to refer to this file, let's say after some time I do some other conversations, so this will kind of be merged with other conversations, and I just want to see what are the files I have uploaded. So I can go to this files tab here, and I see, oh, this is the recent Excel file that I have uploaded here. Now, I want someone to look into this Excel file and make some review comments. So that is possible directly here. So I open this Excel file, and let's say I give this comment. This is very important Excel. And now I want to save this, and I can even have further conversations on this directly from within this Excel if I want to, right? Click here. Okay, I can type something and it will show up in the conversation and in the Microsoft Teams. So I just want to save it here, so I close it, and now the latest details that I shared in the Excel is part of this version, and people can just come here to this file section and check out the new version, and they can do their own changes. Some other options that we have in this tab is the new button. I can create a new file from the options that I have here. I can upload file from my system here, and also I can download the files that I have here as a zip file on my desktop and work on that. So I hope you liked these three hacks that I share with you. These are the top three hacks that I think you should be aware of while using Microsoft Teams. The first one is with respect to the shortcuts, and it is can be easily invoked by the control plus dot button on the keyboard. The second is the search. I showed you how we could narrow down the search, and also the third one is related to the handling and sharing of files. So I hope you like these hacks that I shared with you today. Please click on the like button if you like this video, and click on the subscribe button if you want to be in the knowing for more such Microsoft Teams hacks.